All right. Well, I have a problem with this truck. Going down the road just a couple days ago, running perfectly fine, and all of a sudden it just went to hell and left me on the side of the road. I thought that my carburetor went bad because I've been having trouble with this carburetor, this double pumper Holley that I have, and I went home and swapped it to another carburetor, and it's a little better, and I was able to get it home, but it still isn't acting right. I'm beginning to suspect a vacuum leak, like an intake manifold leak. So I'm going to do a test right here on camera on this 360 Chrysler motor that's in this old truck and see if I can find something that looks like a vacuum leak. So let me start it up and you can see what I got here. I don't even know. It wasn't doing that yesterday. Hold on. Man, it's gotten worse. What in the world's going on with this thing? I do not know. I'm going to turn the idle up. See if I can get it to at least stay running. And right here I have a vacuum gauge. Maybe you guys can kind of see that while I'm running it, because I can't. Beverly can see it. Just hold my phone. Try it again, see what kind of vacuum we got. Wow. doesn't want to idle. You get down 1,500 or so and it won't idle. I think I'm going to try to switch it to another carburetor. I got one over here. I'm going to try one of these. Because I'm not sure that it is an intake leak. It seemed like it was racing the engine up when I got up underneath that carburetor with carburetor cleaner. And I have gone over it and it's tight, but this is strange, but I want to eliminate as best as I can before I have to pull an intake. So, all right, I'll keep y'all posted. This shouldn't be happening. This whole engine is brand new, and I don't know, but it could be like a gasket failure, intake or carburetor gasket. Really nothing else that would cause it to behave like this. It's behaving just like it's got a pretty serious vacuum leak. But I find most of the evidence under the carburetor, so I'll let you know. Thank you.